Navigation is a critical aspect of ship operations, and following a checklist can help ensure safe and efficient navigation. Here are some important items that may be included in a navigation checklist for ships. Number 1. Voyage planning. Review and update voyage plan based on the latest weather forecast and navigational information. Ensure the availability of up-to-date charts, publications, and navigation equipment. Verify the accuracy and calibration of navigation instruments, including GPS, radar, and depth sounders. Number 2. Chart work and position. Fixing plot the ship's positions regularly on paper charts. Confirm position using celestial navigation if applicable. Cross-check positions obtained from various sources to ensure accuracy. Number 3. Safe speed and course. Adjust speed and course as necessary to maintain safe navigation, especially in adverse weather or high traffic areas. Monitor and comply with speed limits in designated areas. Number 4. Collision avoidance. Maintain a proper lookout by visual and radar means. Use radar to detect and track other vessels in the vicinity. Maintain a safe distance from other vessels and navigate to avoid collisions. Number 5. Aids to navigation. Identify and confirm the positions of buoys, lights, and other aids to navigation. Cross-check the ship's position with no navigational marks and landmarks. Number 6. Navigational warnings. Monitor and act upon navigational warnings and notices to mariners. Be aware of any temporary or permanent changes to navigational routes or hazards. Number 7. Weather and sea conditions. Continuously monitor weather conditions and sea state. Adjust course and speed in response to changing conditions to ensure the safety and comfort of vessel. Number 8. Traffic separation schemes. Adhere to established traffic lanes and separation schemes. Maintain awareness of traffic rules and regulations in congested areas. Number 9. Maneuvering and pilotage. Prepare for pilotage and communicate effectively with pilots. Execute pilotage plans safely and according to established procedures. Number 10. Emergency procedures. Review and understand emergency procedures related to navigation, including collision avoidance, grounding, and loss of power. Conduct regular drills to ensure the crew is prepared to respond to emergencies. Number 11. Log keeping. Maintain accurate navigational logs, including positions, courses, speeds, and weather observations. Record any deviations from the planned voyage. Number 12. Communication. Maintain clear communication with the bridge team, crew, and other vessels as necessary. Use standardized communication procedures and VHF radio etiquette. Number 13. Navigation lights and signals. Ensure that navigation lights are functioning correctly, especially during periods of reduced visibility. Display appropriate lights and signals as required by the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. Number 14. Adverse weather procedures. Have a plan in place for navigating in heavy weather conditions, including securing loose equipment and ballasting the ship appropriately. 15. Man overboard procedures. Review and understand man overboard procedures, including launching lifebuoys and initiating search and rescue efforts. 16. Record keeping. Keep a record of all navigation-related activities, observation, and incidents. It is important to note that the specific checklist items may vary depending on the type and size of the vessel, as well as the nature of the voyage and the navigational challenges it presents. The checklist should be tailored to the ship requirements and should be regularly reviewed and updated to reflect current best practices and regulations.